Assalamu alaikum. So this is your question number 8. In this question, calculate the total current in the circuit. Okay, so you have to calculate the total current. Okay, so what is the total current? What will be the total current? Total current is the current supplied by the voltage. Okay, so this is your voltage and it will supply the current here. Okay, so you have to calculate this I. Okay, so to calculate the current, the easiest way is you have to apply Kirchhoff voltage law in matrix form. Okay, so to apply Kirchhoff voltage law, the easiest way is, suppose this is your current mesh 1 I1 and this is mesh 2 I2. There are two mesh I1 and I2. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to draw the maximum. There are two mesh, this is mesh 1 and this is mesh 2, so you have to make matrix 2 cross 2. So this is resistance, okay, is equal resistance multiplied by this is your current and this is your voltage. This is your Ohm's law in matrix form. So because this is, there are two mesh 1 and mesh 2, so it will be 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, and so it will be R11, it will be R12, this is R21, this is R22. Okay, and what is this value? This is I1, this is I2, this is V1 and this is V2. Now our target is, what is R11, what is R12, what is, okay, all these things. So what is R11? R11, okay, this is R11. So R11 is the resistance in mesh 1, all the resistance in mesh 1. So there are three resistors, this plus this plus this. Okay, all the resistance in mesh 1, sum of all the resistance is in mesh 1 is R11. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, so it will be 6 ohm. So R11 will be 6 ohm. Okay, in the same way R21 or R12 and R12 are same. Okay, R12 means common resistance between mesh 1 and mesh 2. This is mesh 1, this is mesh 2. So what is the common resistance between these two these two mesh? There are this, only this resistor, this is common. Okay, this resistor is common, this resistor is common between mesh 1 and mesh 2, so it is 3 ohm, but we will use negative sign. If it is 1 2 1 3 3 1, we will always use negative sign. This is Qanun. Now what is R22? R22 means all the resistor in mesh 2. Okay, ignore this voltage, just use resistors. So this is 4 ohm, this is 5 ohm, this is 3 ohm. Okay, this is 4 ohm, this is 5 ohm and it is 3 ohm. So what will be the value? 9 10 11 12 ohm. Okay, so it will be 12 ohm. So it is, now you will use and also what is V1? V1 is voltage in mesh 1, so there is no any voltage in mesh 1, so we will use V1 is equal to 0. What is V2? V2 is voltage in mesh 2, so voltage in mesh 2, there are only one voltage, so we will use plus or minus. Just see that current, where current reaches. Okay, first current will be like that, current I2 is coming here, first it will come at negative, then it will come at positive. Okay, so where it comes second, in second position, so we will use positive sign. So V2 will be positive 120 plus 120 volt. Okay, so now we will use write all these values. So what is R11 is 6, what is R12 is minus 3, R21 it is also minus 3, and R22 it is 12. Okay, this is I1, this is I2 and this is V1. V1 is, what is V1? V1 is 0, and what is V2? V2 is 120. Okay, now you can use your calculator to solve this. So how to use calculator? So first on this, okay, go in the mode. So this is your mode button, one, again and again. So here you can see this is equation. Okay, what is the equation? This is 1. So how many variables are there? There are two variable, I1 and I2. Okay, so we will use 2. If there is I1, I2, I3, we will use 3. So I1 and I2 we will use 2. Okay, 2. So he will ask A1. So this is your A1, this is your B1, okay, and this is your C1, this is your A2, this is your B2, and this is your C2. Okay, so what is A1? A1 is 6. Then equals to, what is B1? B1 is minus 3, minus 3 equals to C1. C1 is sorry, C1 is 0, so C1 is 0. What is A2? A2 is again minus 3. What is B2? B2 is 12. Okay, and what is C2? C2 is 120. Okay, equals to, so it will x means I1. So what is I1? I1 is 5.714 ampere, and again equals to, it is I2. So I2 is 11.428 ampere. Okay, so this is your I1 and I2. So what is I? Here you can see this I is equal to I2. So answer will be I is equal to I2 is equal to 11.428. okay, it will be in ampere. Okay, so please remember how to solve this. Is very easy, very easy. Just remember this. What is here? 1 R11 R12 R21 R22. Okay, there is the resistor, there is current, there is voltage. Okay, so how to calculate R11, how to calculate R22, you have to see all these things. Okay, thank you very much.